Merry Christmas, people. Yeah, countdown to Christmas already, and I'm so happy. And yeah, we are still on the food section of small businesses video promotion. And in today's video, the special promotion or special shout out, special feature on my channel today is Sisi Yemmie. She just launched a cookbook, and yeah, if you don't support her, why? So in the comment section, let me know what you feel about Sisi Yemmie's book. You never can tell, you can just be the lucky winner for this book. Yes, courtesy Extra Steps here YouTube channel. Now listen to what she has to say about the book.
I am so excited today because I'm introducing something new to you. If you've been on my channel, you know I've been creating food content for a very long time. I get questions from you all the time. Sisi Yemmie, can we have measurements? Sisi Yemmie, can we have description? Sisi Yemmie, when are you coming out with a cookbook? And I finally got a bright idea. So I decided to write my own cookbook, and I'm going to put the link of this book in the description box. It's a digital book, and I'm happy it's digital because it makes it available to all of you, so we do not have problem of logistics, shipping. Anybody anywhere in the world can get it. The name of this book is called A Time to Eat. And it was
Christmas is a time to gift, so I'll be picking 2 people randomly in the comment section, and I would give you Sisi Yemmie's cookbook. Yes, what I feel about the book is it's been long overdue. She should have done this long time ago, so I'm sure this came a little bit late. Yeah, if you want me to say that, Sisi Yemmie, but then it's not too late. Another thing I feel about this book is Sisi Yemmie's channel has over 700 recipe, and she's out with over 30 recipe in her cookbook. And she said what she has in her cookbook is not same as what she has on her channel. Like, some of the recipe in the book is not even on her channel yet. So tell me why you think you don't need this book. I've read so many reviews about the book on our Instagram page, and if you are not following Sisi Yemmie on Instagram, if you are not subscribed to her YouTube channel, wow, why? Subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comment section, what do you feel about this book? Do you think it's a bit too late? Do you think it's just right? What do you think? And I'll be picking 2 people randomly, and before Christmas you would have a gift of this book in your email. Cookbook is loaded, like so much thought and time work went into that book. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, right here it's a bomb. Yeah, so I'm featuring Sisi Yemmie, especially like this is a special video for Sisi Yemmie. Let us celebrate her. Let us give her a Christmas gift by buying our book. Yes, that's all she asked from us this season. Buy the book for yourself, for your friends, for your family. Like, just gift someone Sisi Yemmie's cookbook. Yeah. And right in the description box of this video, I will leave a link where you could directly access the book as well, and go to our channel, go to our I will also leave the description of the incept of this video, this video where she made introduction about the book. I'll leave it in the description box. Just click on it. Here I speak about the book herself. Follow her on Instagram. There's a link also in her Instagram bio that takes you right to the page where you could buy the book. You know, just give Sisi Yemmie that Christmas gift, yeah, and you'll be blessed. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.